My window was fine when I left because I scraped on the outside, but somehow it like iced over on the inside, and it didn't mess up until I started driving. It kind of like iced over or something crazy real quick because I was able to see through it, and then as soon as the sunlight kind of hit it, I just couldn't see anything, so I had to drive with my freaking door open. This is awful. Corey, what are you getting ready to do?
I'm getting ready to do the beep test and probably gonna die in the first like 2 levels.
There's the beep test, and here are the different levels. Survivor, first round. How you feel, Ashley? K-Dog, how you feel?
That's awful.
Talia, how you feel?
Josh is out here making us all look bad right now. He's at like level like 10 what? 10 what is it, Dan? 10 what?
He's on 10-9.
10-9. The highest one was like what? 8-7?
Need another wrap for that baby.
I know. It got like triple wrap.
Look at that beep.
You know, might have lost a little bit of feeling, but it's okay.
Much better.
All for Josh.
This is our dance that we're going to be doing in our group exercise class. We're about to kill it.
Ready? 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
What's happening, boys? What's going on right now?
We're about to win the dance battle.
Dance battle.
Yep, dance battle for sure. Yes, sir.
So if I just give you the best damn reach around you ever had. Oh, I'm out.
I don't know if that was picker video, so I just...
Ow! It shows your name on the back of the hoodie. Up here at the gym. Paige over here. Rocking that Gymshark t-shirt, killing it. Look at that fresh ass hair. Check out the Sick Beats product placement, advertisement, even though I'm not sponsored. Beats, you can come sponsor me. Yeah, so I am up at the gym, and it is like 8:30. Got off at T3, had a good day there. I'm just super tired. Been up since 8, had class at 8, and then did the beep test in my class, as you've seen earlier in the video. Super duper tiring, not an easy test, pretty hard, and I kind of feel sick now from it. But Craig is out. I'll see you, dog. Carter's out. I'll see you, dog. Yeah, so going to try to hit some deadlift, back, and biceps, and maybe a little bit of core. So, gonna get into it. All right, so I'm on deadlift. I'm up to 365. I don't feel the greatest. I'm real tired. Just feel exhausted from everything today. And yeah, at 365, this may or may not be my last set. It's supposed to be for 5 reps. So we'll see how it goes. So those actually went up kind of fast, but it did feel very, very heavy. I don't think, yeah, I'm probably just gonna call it right there for today. Because everything's supposed to be set of 5s. I don't know if today I can go heavier and do 5s, so just gonna listen to my body, be smart about it, and just move on from this exercise. Or I might go a little bit lighter and do some hypertrophy work with it. But let's just move on, progress with the workout. Let's get it done. So Paige said something about my attitude, even though I'm like tired and just don't feel really good and like feel like sick. Like I said, I have a headache, but he wants me to do it. So I'm gonna do it. 405, supposed to be for 5 reps.
Come on, Josh. He thinks he's not gonna get it. It's the wrong attitude.
You should have seen my last set. See, this is like the real stuff. Because I show you this, a lot of other people don't show you this when they feel like garbage and like don't want to go real heavy because they don't feel good. A lot of people don't show that, but I'm showing it because it's real. And I'm real like tired, and like real like.
Come on.
Ugh. Alright, so I'm back home from the gym. Sorry, the camera card, my SD card actually ran out of space for recording, so it didn't get it. I got up to, I think, like 3 reps. They're grinders, but I got them out, so I was happy I did that and got it done. But that will conclude this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked the video, leave a thumbs up. Also, comment down below and let me know what you guys think about it. And please share this video so everybody else can see it. And subscribe. Do not forget, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys later. #AyersFitness. Out.